Okay, hello Ryan Eaper 1 fans. This is my house, and I'm going to show you my Halloween decorations. It's Halloween day, and so I'm waiting for it to get dark. Can't wait. I'm going to show you my decorations. Okay, this is my pumpkin right here. I think it's really cool in my opinion. Pumpkin, you know.
And I'm taking pictures. See my camera.
That's a toddler camera. For toddlers like him. This is my brother's camera. I got the idea of putting the spider in the mouth. And I also got the idea of the tears of blood.
But I got the idea of the blood on the side.
No, we both had the idea at the same time. I'm just the one who talked before you. Anyway, zombie hand. I bought it at the dollar store. I put a bunch of fake blood on it. It's pretty cool from behind view.
Now I'm going to take a picture of the witch.
We bought that, which it's really cool. Mark, move your camera, it's in the way.
Wait.
Okay, that. She's kind of creepy. We made this ourselves. We took a bunch of things, we stuffed them.
Newspaper, actually.
We took newspaper, we used it to stuff all the things. We put a mask on top of newspaper and made it sit down.
Come on, wait.
It really works, and it's really realistic because there's socks and stuff. You can
from there. See, you can even
the newspaper right up his nose. Let's see. Yeah, it's any boogers. Okay. Anyway, enough of that. Because I only have a couple minutes remaining for my time. There's this little guy. We also do it with paper mache. Their heads, most of them. Their heads. We took a balloon from we covered the round of it, all around it, paper mache, dried, popped the balloons. We bought it a couple of years ago. What's really funny about this one and Casper the ghost over there, right here, is that we got those a long time ago. At when we first moved to my other house, it was just there. Guys must have forgot to get it. The owners. Their neighbor has the same thing. Well, I guess you can't see from here. Just a bit closer. From here, right here, and there, and there. Exact same. So that's really, really weird. So we've never seen those any store. So it's pretty weird. So we also stick this paper mache, sticks it under. Looks real. This guy who's like staring at you constantly. It's waiting to pop up. You know, it's kind of kid. We're also going to put some scary music in behind here, so people